That's it.
Oh my god.
That's it. That's all it makes.
Let me hear the tire squeak.
Nah.
Okay, stop. Shit. Damn. Hell no. I'm back in the Watch the hell out.
Alrighty, what's good, y'all? Back with another video today. About to go to a car meet tonight. Finna meet up with my homie Desan. He's bringing out the cat tonight, so get some POV content with him tonight. Get y'all some footage for the car meet. But yeah, that's pretty much what we finna do tonight. About to get this gas real quick from here. Then I'm gonna meet him at another gas station a little farther up the road. Then we finna go cruise out there. So about to get this gas real quick, and then I am finna catch y'all when we get done getting this gas. Still 4:05. About to see how much gas is. I'm saying 65 probably. Look at that. 65. Alrighty, so we back on the road again. Finna go meet up with Desan real quick, and then we should be good to start heading out to that meet. So we gonna get some footage, some good footage for y'all. Hopefully, some good pulls and stuff on the highway, and that should be pretty much it for the video today. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. Already going off. Sheesh. Okay. Forgot it's Friday night. Everyone bring out the little toys out tonight. Alright, so we just got to the apartment. About to go link up with them real quick.
Let me hear your rev again, boy. Oh, you got the POV on too.
Oh God.
Bro, that shit looks slow.
You say it looks
Hey,
slow?
hold on.
Make a sound. Make a sound.
What, you wanna hear a sound?
Wait, let me watch out. I'm not finna jump. Make a sound. Make a sound now.
That's it. That's it.
Oh my god.
That's it. That's all it makes.
Let me hear the tire squeak.
Nah.
Okay, stop. Shit. Damn. Hell no. I'm back in the Watch the hell out. You were scared of his car. No, you were scared of his car. Don't do that. You were scared of his the red car, and now you over here doing loud shit. You was holding on like this. You was scary. Do one more time. Yeah.
Nah, it's too loud. It's too loud.
One more.
Alrighty, so we back. We all linked up. Desan got the cat. And then Tesla behind us. There's the Tesla. He is zooming. So it looks like we're 25 minutes out from the meet. Should be pretty fun. Sheesh, cat has screamed twice. The cat coming, and then obviously, of course, you can't hear the Tesla. What? You either gonna follow me? Man, it is a perfect day outside, bro. Friday, Good Friday night. Finna have a fire, car meet, hopefully. Finna meet up with two other homies too, Kendrick and Evan. They finna be meeting us at a gas station. We're gonna meet them there near the meet. Yeah, this shit's gonna be lit, y'all. Windows, because it is windy as hell. I'm gonna get on this highway, see what we can't get into up here. That little Tesla right there, yeah. Letting that little Tesla get up. Hopefully he does know to get over. Yeah, he got over. So we got a little scat pack right here. Looks like a car just cut off Desan and the cat. Huh. A nice little wide body Scat though. Yeah, look at that little wide body. Fucking brake lights up here, damn. It's like there's a wreck up here, something. Damn, buddy done lost. Oh shit. So if y'all are new to the channel, I had a Infiniti M55 before, and I had gotten it out here in Addison, and this is literally the first highway I ever drove, my Infiniti M45. So it's always fun driving on this highway because kind of get nostalgia because I definitely miss that car. But
Jacob took us to this weak ass car meet. Oh, it's bad. It's quiet. There's a lot of regular traffic. I fit in over there, and I'm driving a Kia, so that'll tell you something.
You see and there's the Kia. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah. You better watch out. This guy's F1 driver here.
Yeah.
Don't catch him on the highway, because he will beat you.
It's facts.
And
they don't know what's under the hood.
Yeah, see.
I don't want to leak that.
Yeah, just don't hit that one button in there, okay?
We cover it.
All right, y'all. That's probably gonna be the end of the video. Hope y'all have a great rest of y'all's day, night, whatever time you're watching this. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.